Hello art friendos, this week's a special one. Steph has gone ahead and bought some art supplies, stationery supplies, whatever you want to call them, from Temu. I've got no idea what's in here, except she does, so why don't we bust this open and see what all the fuss is about. Alright, look at the size of this thing, right? Look at it. Now, Steph has a method for this. She wants to open this bag to the side and introduce each item one by one. So, because I don't know what it is, I'm going to slide this over to Steph.
Yes, thank you.
And she's going to open it and reveal each thing to me.
Okay, first of all, let's put the prices up on screen because it shows like how much of a discount the website gave you.
Oh, okay.
This is my first time ever using Temu. The only thing that I knew about this prior to it is that things are cheap on there and a lot of things are like toxic or something. I've seen that in
Wonderful.
The news.
Okay, I'm ready for item number one. What's that? Is it a sketchbook?
Yeah.
Oh, and it's got a little robin on it. Oh, that's adorable.
Yeah, open it up.
Look at that. It's actually really nice. It's fabric. It feels like it's embroidered. I don't think it is embroidered,
What
but
type of paper is inside?
let's have a look. Ooh, it's non-lined.
Is it watercolor paper? Because I think it's watercolor paper.
It feels like it's pretty decently thick.
Yeah, that is like.
Ooh.
It was advertised as watercolor.
Yeah, I can't get up. I hope the camera can pick that up because it is like fabric. That's actually very nice. Oh, the bird's cute. Oh, for God's sake, it's another. If this is just a bag full of sketchbooks. There we go. Again, it's fabric-y. This one actually says that it's watercolor paper.
Such a cute little
Yeah.
sketchbook.
Oh, it is, and you can actually see the texture on the paper on this. So does that mean it's hot press or cold, hun? I can never remember.
Cold press is when it's got a texture to it.
Yeah, so I think this is cold press. And for a travel size, I mean, look at it, it's tiny. That'd be the perfect thing to take out somewhere and have a little doodle with. It's so small. Is this a sponge?
It was advertised as watercolor sponge.
Why did you buy a sponge?
I just saw an art supply that we don't own, and I was like, wow, we don't
We own sponges?
Not a watercolor sponge. It's not
Hun, this is a washing up sponge. I don't get. Started off strong. We're in a trough because this is just a sponge.
Oh, this was a cute little something that reminded me of you.
Oh, really? Okay. Okay. I'm excited for this one. Looks like a tiny bin. It's got capybaras. Ooh, yeah, and it has two sizes, which is always very, very useful. Ooh, that's so thoughtful, hun.
You're a pencil boy.
I am
And
a
I saw
pencil boy.
capybara in it, and it's like, that's a cute animal friend.
Cute. I'm a big fan of that one. That's very sweet, dear. I still can't believe you bought me a sponge. It's moist. What if the? Where's it come from? Tomato star. What is that?
Oh, it's not a washi tape.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay, so we've got tomato star. And if I can just, yeah, if I do this just so the light's off it, it's got little tomatoes on.
Isn't that cute?
Tomato star is very you, Cole. Huh? Oh my God. Ooh, a sizable item. Ooh. Oh, it's colourful. Cotton Tate watercolour postcards. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, there's the back where you actually write your message.
Yeah, and the blank watercolor one, so you can paint your own design.
Oh, yeah, look at that. So you've got, like, your blank that you write on. And then on the back, you write your little message. There's so many as well. Can I... There isn't so many. Why are sponges the bane of my existence today?
It's not a watercolor sponge, though. It's different quality.
That's naughty. Because look, that's like half of the stack that I thought you would get. Look at that. Dirty lies. Hi, art friends. Welcome to the Floor of Reflection. Did you guys know that our channel is funded through Patreon, and that's the reason why we're able to still make videos to this very day. So if you want to see more videos, subscribe for one, duh. And also consider supporting us on Patreon so we can bring you even more snazzy videos. Is this something that caught your eye? It's very small, oh my goodness.
And checkered.
The checkers? Oh, you're right, they are literally all checkered, look. Oh, that's adorable. I like the classic kitchen floor one, like this one over here. Whenever I see this in like designs and stuff, I'm like, it just looks like a kitchen floor. But this is very cute. All the same design. But hey, who doesn't like a good checkered pattern? And you get a fairly decent amount. Sometimes I feel like with washi tape, you get kind of ripped off and they give you like a centimetre of tape. But that's not too bad at all. I actually really like those.
These ones are back to school washi tapes.
You don't even go to school. Why?
It's just like the primary colour aesthetic, and there's some of those where I was like, I need those washi tapes.
Oh god, there's so many. All right, let's review and have a good look, shall we? We have got, is that a bulldog clip? Mm-hmm. We have ABC design. That one's cute. Yeah, okay, I like that one. That one's
cute. We're back on board.
Apples.
Cute.
Crayons. That's a very you design, honey. In case you forgot, more alphabet.
You'll be thanking me for these one day.
I will, yeah, when I have the need for Apple A+, 1 + 2 equals like washi tape, you'll be right there for me.
I will.
They've gone really hard on like the apple aesthetic. There are apples on nearly all of these.
I love me a good school apple.
Well, there's like the bus one that I'm allowed to have.
Yeah.
Welcome back. What kind of cruel teacher would write that? Welcome back, children. Oh, that's a cute one.
I really like that one.
It's like I think it's in centimeters, isn't it? That's a cute. I like that. That's a very cute one, dear. We got like a set square, a globe. Now this one's very sort of 90s, isn't it?
All the school essentials.
The last one that we've got is a nice one. And it's like, yeah, it's lots of little pencils.
Little coloured pencils.
That's very, very sweet.
I wonder if you'll be able to guess by looking at it, actually, if you can figure
guess
out
the
what
theme.
the theme is. Yeah. It has quite a niche theme.
Oh my god. Let me get this up close. It's very like, it reminds me of like advertisements and stuff that they have in like Japan, like very, very colourful.
Yeah.
Is it an advert for like security? Because I'm seeing a lot of locks. Concerned cat with large key and a hammer. What the heck is this a washi tape for? I've got no idea. What is this?
It's a washi tape of key cutting advertisements.
How niche can you get? Hello, do you have the key cutting washi tape available?
As soon as I saw that, I was like, we need that.
I mean, don't get me. Hey, I'm trying to like get it so the light's not on it for you. It's a very cute design, but oh my god, that's probably the most niche washi tape I think I've ever seen.
I'm glad you think it's cute because I really like this series.
Oh my god. I think we need to rename this video to my girlfriend just bought a ton of washi tape and wants me to look at it all. So we've got a cat, a very cute calico cat on it actually. It's very pretty. Let's have a little rotate and see what we have. Oh, there's a bear with a tool, some tools like a wrench and a screwdriver. At the top, this looks like a bunny, I'm gonna say, with a wrench. Is it like a handyman or like tool supplies or something?
It's an automatronic.
There isn't even a car on it. Like, give me... It's just a bunch of animals that have found some tools. Cute. Maybe not as clear as the other one. It's chunky too. I like how wide this one is. It's like packing tape almost.
Some of these.
Oh, they look like little arrows.
You can put them on the corners of your sketchbook and make it look like an old tome.
Ooh. Oh, this is... Oh, there's some weight to this one. Okay. I was not expecting pastels? Water-soluble pastel.
Okay, so I saw these and I thought they reminded me of those Caran d'Ache Neo coloured tubes. But I just saw on that packaging, it said oil pastel and I'm a bit less excited now.
Yeah. Are oil pastels water-soluble? Because I thought water and oil don't mix.
Yeah, you've literally painted with water. Oil pastels.
Honey, I'm old and we've made a lot of videos. That's actually a very cute touch. They've given you a free water brush.
Oh, a water brush and a pencil
and a sharpener
sharpener.
for... Okay, that's actually very thoughtful. I like that.
There's like a little palette sleeve.
Yeah, there's a little palette thing for you to mix them on.
I'm not sure why that one's like got texture.
That's a very thoughtful set. I love it when it comes with something that you don't expect, and the fact that it comes with a sharpener and like a water brush, that's actually pretty good going. You got everything you need in there. That's pretty cool. Please, I don't want no more washi tape. Please.
Okay, you don't want a washi tape.
No. What do you... We've already done this. This is more of the same thing. So, in case you weren't paying attention at the start of the video, watercolor sketchbooks that are very small and are ideal for travel. I don't know what you'd do in these. Maybe you could do like a series of like, I don't know, stamp illustrations maybe? A stamp book? That's pretty cute. That sounds like something Steph would do. Obviously we'll have to use them, but you know, on first inspection, they seem pretty good, to be honest with you. They don't feel cheap, which is what I'm quite surprised about. Oh my god, have you literally bought little tins?
They said they'd send you 2 mystery tins that have little snacks on.
Okay, so we have got chocolate cake and strawberry pie.
That's so exciting.
What do you guys think? Steph loves little tins, like the novelty of a very small thing that can be kept in a very small thing. Do you guys like tins? I have never seen the appeal, but she loves Polly Pockets and stuff like that.
I was just about to say, it's my inner Polly Pocket girl.
Exactly. Yeah, she loves these. I mean, I guess you could make a very limited watercolor palette that you could travel with, maybe? It's time for another exciting episode of Guess the Profession.
This one isn't a profession.
Oh, right, okay.
It's just cute.
I like it. Oh, I do quite like this one because it's quite fish themed and like, oh, like a little iced drink. That's quite cute though. And I do like the size. I never come across a washi tape where it's like 2 stacked, but it's like in 1.
It's quite long, yeah.
It's like a long one, yeah. It's very, very cute and very colourful as well. I'm quite a fan of those.
Now, I've been with Adam for 13 years, and no one knows Adam as well as I do.
I don't like that.
Here's your present.
Oh, my favourite! Meat! I just want to say for the record that I'm straight, and when your girlfriend approaches you with her meat, you're going to start asking questions. Now, this says, meat. Healthy food leads to a healthy body. Keep frozen. And it's all sealed up, so I assume, oh, like it says, fresh and healthy. Shall we see what's inside our mystery meat box? If anyone ever says that to you, run. Oh, God. Oh, there we go. Oh, look, it's little cold pack stickers. That's adorable. Oh, my God, it's just stickers of meat. Are you for real? Oh, there's me big sausage in there. Hold on, let me get them out so I can show you.
I thought you'd be able to do some artwork that's inspired
There's
by frozen meat.
so much meat. Oh my god, it's red. Look at all the packaged meat. Bacon, steak, sausage. Oh my god, meat. Wagyu beef. Isn't that famous in Japan? More bacon, burgers.
Just wait until we have a video called something like turning meat into characters.
Welcome to the meatverse. Where else are you going to get a holographic chicken leg?
This one isn't an art-related gift.
Oh, okay.
I thought Adam would enjoy it. There you go.
This looks a bit suspicious. Alright, don't tell me what it is.
Okay.
Let me take it out and I want to show you guys. Are you trying to give me messages? Like, you sent me a box of meat and now you've sent me, like, rainbow sperm? What is this? What is this? Why has it got sperm in my hands?
You like things that you can use, that's what you always
What the
tell
hell?
me.
Where do I put this? Where am I? What is this? I think the tail goes in the head. Okay, so this is what it's intended for.
Mm-hmm.
Is it a ring?
Oh, yeah.
Is it like a fashion thing? So, before Steph reveals what this is, what do you comment down below? What the heck?
Place your bets.
What the heck do you think this is? Because I have got no idea. They come in like a whole bunch of different colours. They feel gross. They feel really rubbery and ugh. Okay, reveal it to me. What is it?
Reusable cable ties.
Oh, why did they make them? I mean, white? White?
That's pink.
Oh, okay.
Adam's colourblind.
White?
That one's white.
White?
Okay, that one is questionable.
I tell you, if that comes out of you, go to the doctors. Because that's a big boy. Fried chicken! Crispy and tasty. Oh, that looks cute. Alright, let's bust into it. Who's put plums in me fried chicken? Plums? Ah, now we're talking.
Fried chicken.
Oh, burritos. I love burritos.
That's what I thought when I saw it.
Kiwis? Coffee?
We
Okay.
can't all be winners.
Oh, guava. I tell you, there's some fancy ones in here. Cookies. Blueberries. We could make like a shop with these. Cake. And again, I'm very impressed by just how many. I mean, look.
Yeah, there's so many designs.
Look how many there are. Like, look, it just keeps going and going and going. And I don't think I've seen any duplicates. Just look, cheesecake, pears. Oh, I'll give that to Mac. Mac likes pears. Tomato. Look, it just keeps more and more and more and more. Look. I don't think there's any duplicates, which is very impressive. Almonds?
Okay, so make sure you check out our playlist, which is Budget Art Supplies. We've got all kinds of cheap art supplies in there from like over the years, and we've also got Wish art supplies in there.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like Wish is basically just Temu.
It basically,
It
yeah.
wouldn't surprise me if they're literally the same warehouse.
If you want us to draw something inspired by one of